When it comes to the art of fishing, it's vital to have the right tools and know-how at your disposal when you're on the water. What if there was an affordable product specifically designed to make fishing easy with everything you need to go fishing included? Introducing Amundson's Savvy Rider Backpacker Fishing Combo. The perfect tackle kit to bring along on your next outdoor adventure, no matter where you go. Small, lightweight, and compact, the patent-pending Savvy Rider Fishing Combo Kit is easy to carry, affordably priced, and comes with everything you could need on your next fishing trip. The kit includes an easy-to-assemble rod, a pre-spooled reel, 16 pre-tied lures so you won't need to learn any complicated knots, a multi-tool, and more. And to make things even better, the Savvy Rider Combo Kit comes with instructions for everything, from how to set up your rod and cast, through to explaining which lures to use at what time of the year or in different water conditions. The Savvy Rider Combo Kit allows even the youngest or most inexperienced anglers to get set up and ready to fish within minutes. Plus, the kit is made using high-quality materials, making the Savvy Rider ideal even for seasoned pros. Make fishing easy. Order yours today.